Hello everyone and welcome about how to make $3,500 for Bitcoin using this Bitcoin mining website. Make sure you stay till number 1 so you don't miss out on a website that'll have you mining tons of Bitcoin with no investments. You'll be absolutely shocked. Number 1. Create a Bitcoin account. We know that you're excited and eager to earn lots of Bitcoin, but you need to have a place where you can put all that you earn. What you'll need is a Bitcoin wallet. This wallet can be free to set up, and you won't be needing to make any investments in order to fill up with cryptocurrency. Find a legit and safe website such as Coinbase or blockchain to start. If you're still unsure of which wallet to use, you can visit the Bitcoin website and fill out a survey to find which one is right for you. Now that you have found a website, sign up for it and enter in your credentials. You should then be able to access all of the features, including your new Bitcoin wallet. Now with that all set up, it's time to start mining. Let's move on to the next step. Number 2. Enter the Payouts platform. Now you're all set up with your Bitcoin account and ready to go. Now you're ready to mine for Bitcoin. You can earn Bitcoin this way without even having to invest in it. It's super simple, and in this video we will show you how it's done. First, you will want to go to the Payouts website. This is where you'll start to mine for Bitcoin. It's not a difficult process, but it may become confusing, so make sure to pay attention to these instructions. Let's take a look at the home page. You can see that you have a few different options to choose from. You can see that there is GPU mining, CPU win, CPU cap, and many more. All of these come with their advantages and disadvantages, so stay tuned to find out what's the best option to use. Looking at the GPU mining option, that will basically just run in the background of your device. This will be a helpful option to choose if you're mining on a smartphone. You'll be able to still use your device while you're mining. With this option, you can see that the only currency option is Bitcoin. If you would like to mine for other cryptocurrencies, you may want to look at other options such as CPU win and CPU cap. Now let's take a look at the CPU mining. With this option, you can mine for free, using your device with the help of the console. That means you will need to have the console on in order to mine for your Bitcoin. You cannot just have it run in the background like you can for GPU mining. That may sound like a drawback, but it does reward you better than the GPU mining does. Now, the CPU win and the CPU cap options are pretty much the same thing. They will allow you to mine for other currencies such as Ethereum and Litecoin. If you plan on mining anything other than Bitcoin, you may want to pick one of these two options. So now that you know your options, let's move on to the next step, where we will explore how GPU mining and CPU mining work. Number 3. Click on Join in GPU mining. When you think you're decided about the best option, you can click on the Join button under the option box. For this step, we'll be taking a look at the GPU mining option. So go over to that box and click on Join. Once you do that, you'll be instantly redirected to a new page that says Free Bitcoin Mining. You'll be asked to enter in your Bitcoin wallet address. Go to your Bitcoin wallet website that you have already set up and look for that address. It should look like a long line of random letters and numbers for varying cases. Once you've found that, copy it, then paste it into the box. Now click on the Login button. If you've done this correctly, you'll be led to a dashboard where you can see a lot of different options and buttons. You will see the currency that you've chosen on this page. What you'll want to do now is simply click on the green button that says Start Mining. A terminal will pop up and it will immediately start loading. Eventually, a text will appear that says Connected, and that's when you know that you've started mining from the browser. Every once in a while, you will get a text that says When, and that will credit Bitcoin into your balance in real time. This is all happening within your browser, so you can continue to use your device while this is all happening. This is basically passive income, since you're earning without having to do any work at all. You can just sit back and watch your balance grow. If you look on the left-hand side, at the Money Transactions window, you will see that there is a minimum limit that you'll need to achieve before you can withdraw your Bitcoin currency. Don't worry, this shouldn't take more than a couple of days to reach this limit. There is another great feature on this website that you should consider, so let's take a look at it now. Number 4. Check out the affiliate program. Many websites that give you passive earnings have great affiliate programs, and this website has one too. This is great and can really help you boost your earnings. On the front of this dashboard, you will see the affiliate program option. All you have to do is refer a friend and you will get 10% of their earnings once they start mining themselves. It's a great thing to do, and who wouldn't want to sign up to this website? All you have to do is copy your reference link and get as many friends as possible to sign up to it. Tell them that it's completely free and all happens passively, and they will definitely want to sign up. Preferring 10 friends can help you basically double your earnings. Try out this boost to help you maximize your earnings through this website. Number 5. Click on Join in CPU Mining. This website has another option. It's called CPU Mining, and we're now going to see what's that all about. Go to the option box and click on Join button. Similar to the other option, you'll be led to another page. This time, it'll ask you for your language and then your Bitcoin wallet ID. The wallet ID is your wallet address, so copy that from whatever website that you use and paste it onto the box. Then click on the login button on the bottom. Once you've done that properly, you'll be led to a dashboard. This looks different than the other dashboard we saw through GPU mining. You will see how much Bitcoin you're earning and have already earned. To start mining, you will want to click on the Start Mining button. The mining will automatically start up a console, and you can watch in real time as the program mines for Bitcoins and instantly adds them to your earnings. With this, you cannot exit out of the console, but you will see that your earnings are higher than the GPU mining method. This option will also use more of your computer's power, so keep that in mind. When you're done, click on the Save button on the bottom of the console. You will have to wait about 3 minutes, and after that, you will be able to see your earnings on the dashboard. You can really see how fast you can earn through this website in real time. Just a few hours a day can earn you big amounts of Bitcoin. Number 6. Click on Payouts on the mining platform. Next and last thing you'll want to do is return to the main homepage and check for the Payouts button right at the top. Click on this. Now you'll be led to another page where you can see that people are withdrawing money in real time from this website. You can see just how much people really earn through mining with their services. These are sometimes huge amounts of Bitcoin. You may see some amounts like 0.48 Bitcoin. If you do a quick Google search, you can see that is huge. And these people just earn this passively through this website. So you'll definitely want to try this out for yourself and just watch the earnings come rolling in. So remember, if you want to run the mining program in the background, or you want to use your smartphone to mine, select the GPU mining option. If you want to earn more, select the CPU mining option. But remember that you won't be able to exit out of the console, or else the mining will stop. Go ahead and check out this method. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these videos on your screen and see you there.